Hello, I'm Amulya. I have been assigned a task by Zithara Technologies, and the requirements and the details of the task is here. I'm required to build a React and Node.js application with PostgreSQL database, and it should contain the following functionalities. Like I need to create 50 records in database with the following column fields like serial number, customer name, age, phone, location, created it, and dummy data. And secondly, I need to create a single page application to display the above data in table format with search option, pagination with 20 records per page. And thirdly, the created at column data has to be displayed in two separate columns as date and time. And the search functionalities will search the data with the column name or location. And finally, there should be an option to sort the data either by date or by name. These are the functionalities mentioned here. So now let's see the database that has been created by me and the records which was inserted by me. Let's look into that. Here is the data which has been created by me. I have been created a database, and in that database I have created a table called customers, and under the customer table I have included the columns like serial number, customer name, age, phone number, location, and created it. As per the requirements, I have created and inserted all the 50 records into that, and this is the dummy data. Yeah, you can see here I have created and inserted 50 records into that, and this is the database. Let's see how I implemented and developed my application. Let's go into that. So I have developed my entire application in the React.js. So I've created a folder called Zithara, and in this folder I have created two subfolders. One is the client, and this client folder will mainly works on the front end code, and the second folder is that server. This mainly deals with the backend code. Let's go and see what are the files that have been included in the client folder, and one is app.js. So in this app.js, the entire code, like logic of the code, I have been included in the app.js file. You can see here I've included and imported required things into this, and next is for the styling part. I have created a file called style.css. On the styles.css, I have included the entire styles that are required for my application. Yeah, and the next file is that I have included pagination.js. This is the code which has been included in this file. So when I go for the server folder, in this folder I have created a file called app.js, and in this app.js I have given the database configuration, and I connected the database to this application, and included the required logic for searching and the sorting as mentioned in the requirements. Okay, now let's run by using the terminal. Let me open a terminal by taking the new terminal. So let me open the file called folder called server. So let me run this by using node app.js. This is the command that I'm going to use now, and this server is running on the port 5000. So let me open another terminal. So for this I will open now cd. This command is called cd client. I'm going to open the client folder, and under this I'm going to run this folder npm start, and my application will be going to open within a few seconds. Let's wait for that, and the page is loading. Yeah, this is the application that has been developed by me And the task you can see here, this is the customer records. I have included a search bar for searching by name or location, and even I have added sorting the data using the date and time. I have included all the 50 records, see here, and each page consists of, as per the requirements, each page consists of the 20 records, you could see here. And let's go for the second page. Even this second page also contains 20 records, and third page, remaining 10 records are included in the third page. So let's check whether the searching is working or not. So let's search David. Yeah, I could find the David record. Here I have searched this record by using of the name. So let's search another name called like John. Yeah, John Doe. I could find the John record here. I have searched this by using of the name. So now let's try by using of the location. So let's search the location called Washington. Yeah, I could find a record, serial number 50, Washington. Here is the location. Let's try with another one, New York. Yeah, I could find another record, again John. Yeah, I could as per the requirements, I could search the data by using of the name and the location. So let's sort the data firstly by using of the date. Yeah, now I could see my whole data has been sorted by date. See if you could see here, the date is 17th and month is March. Here is the month, day and year, and the next day is following by 18th, 3rd of March, sorry, it's 18th and March 2023, 22nd March 2023. Here the whole data has been sorted. Let's sort by time. Yeah, you can see the whole data has been sorted by time. Here is a 12:15, next 12:54, 1:42, and like it was, the whole data has been sorted. You can see here firstly it was sorted by AM, then we can see here in the next page PM. Yeah, here all the requirements as mentioned in the task were fulfilled, and this is the task which has been assigned to me by Zithara Technologies. Thank you.